Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Animoto password. And if you have forgotten it or just want to create a new one, do not worry, and it's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first, you need to open to your Animoto app and make sure you already have an Animoto app, or if you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and you can download it from there as well. And after that, you can select the login from the interface over here. So over here, what you are required is type down your email and password. So over here, you've clearly forgotten your password. Just in the beside password, you can see there's an option for the forget. Tap on that icon. So in order to reset your password, you are required to type down your email address. And after you type down your email address, you can select reset. And after that, you need to open to your email app on your phone and look for the message from the Animoto. And over here in the Gmail, we can see there's an Animoto option to reset your Animoto password. You can simply tap over there and you can select the reset password. Tap on the reset password here, and the new tab will open up. What you can do is you can type down a new password and re-enter your new password, and after you're done, you can select the reset password and make sure the password is strong enough, and that is it. And after that, you can successfully reset to your password, and that is it. You can now log into Animoto on your phone with a new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to reset Animoto password. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.